How much is your grease trap costing you? Over 5 years, you could be flushing over £33,000 down the drain. At the end, we will cost compare each grease trap solution, so stay tuned. Now, let's see the benefits and drawbacks of each. So first off, we have passive/manual grease traps. These grease traps are compact and usually under the sink or counter in a commercial kitchen. They're very cheap to buy and made from either plastic or stainless steel. However, the downside to passive traps is that manual cleaning is required. It needs at minimum 10 pump outs per year, and they are often non-compliant as they are not maintained properly. The cost of ownership over 5 years for a passive or manual trap is £29,700. Next, we have the in-ground grease traps. These have a large retention capacity, but the groundwork to install these can be expensive. Where the in-ground grease trap is installed, it must have tanker access and also requires between 8 to 10 pump outs per year. It doesn't protect your pipes as it is not located at the source, which can lead to blockages down the line. The cost of ownership over 5 years is a whopping £39,500. Lastly, we have the automatic grease removal device. These are installed mostly under sinks or ovens in commercial kitchens, or for larger facilities in the basement. Not only do they protect pipes at the source, but the fats, oils and grease is automatically skimmed off daily. It has a solid separation feature and only requires as little as 2 to 3 pump outs per year. As the grease is skimmed off daily, this allows the unit to have an infinite capacity as fog is constantly being removed. The skimmed grease can actually be recycled into renewable fuels, making it sustainable and also fully compliant with regulations. Although automatic grease removal devices have a higher upfront cost, the maintenance requirements are low, with the cost of ownership over 5 years being £8,630.85. Here is a breakdown cost comparison of the three, with Grease Guardian automatic grease removal devices being the most cost effective. Now when we look at this in a graph format, you can really see the difference in costs. With Grease Guardian AGRDs, you only need to invest once. Maintenance is easy, your trap is compliant, and you're saving thousands of pounds. It's a no-brainer. For more information on purchasing a Grease Guardian AGRD for your commercial kitchen, email sales@greaseguardian.com or visit www.greaseguardian.com.